and welcome back. Happy New Year. We made it to see another year. If you're watching this video, I wish you nothing but success, wealth, great relationships, and all of that for the 2024 year, period. As y'all know, we are all family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Be sure to let me know down below how y'all are doing. As y'all can tell by the title, we are doing extra large knotless braids. I've never done the super big ones, y'all. I normally keep them like medium. I've done jumbo, but this is like super big, you know. And I fell in love with these braids, y'all. Like, they're so pretty. Now my bestie, she wanted to try this new color blend. I want to say it's a 30 and a 27, and she just wanted me to combine both of them to give more of a blended look. So that's what I did. She was so used to wearing like a black, like a 1B, or maybe the burgundy. She's done that a few times. But look at all this hair she got, y'all. She has so much hair, like so much so I split it in half from front to back. I just go ahead and break it down because I know it's going to be a lot. And then I just work from side to side, as y'all can tell. Everything that I'm using will be listed down below. I really love the expression hair, but I believe she used the easy braid. That'll also be listed down below in the description box on my Amazon storefront, so be sure to click there and check it out. I do have some braider must-haves and a lot of other things on there, y'all, so check that out. I know it's been a minute. I've missed you guys so much. I have so many ideas for us this year. If y'all have any hairstyles that y'all want to see, anything trending, be sure to leave it down below and I will definitely get it up for you guys. I hope that y'all day has been absolutely amazing. Mine has been amazing. Now, y'all, let me know if y'all are into like the black eyed peas for, what are the black eyed peas for, y'all? For luck, I want to say. Yeah, the black eyed peas are for luck. The greens are for money. I seen where the cornbread is for wealth. Do y'all do stuff like that? Like, do y'all eat? You know, I do. Whether it works or not, I'm gonna go ahead and do it, baby, because we want all that, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna definitely in a few go eat me a little bit of all of that. I've definitely got back on my fitness journey, so maybe I'll vlog a little bit of that for y'all. But yeah, I had to come say hey to you guys and wish y'all a happy new year. This year is going to be absolutely amazing for all of us. I want to thank y'all so much for rocking with me, especially if you've been here from the beginning. I cannot thank you enough from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I love y'all. Even if you are new, welcome to the family. Let me know down below if you are new and comment where you are from. Hey girl, hey, or hey bro, hey. Period. I like to have fun. I like for y'all to talk to me. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and follow me on all platforms. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, all of that good jazz. So go ahead and follow your girl so we can keep up with each other and see what's going on throughout the year. I don't want to do too much talking, y'all. I love to talk, but I don't want to talk y'all ears off. I just want y'all to watch. I hope y'all enjoy the video. If you want to see how I do large box braids, knotless braids, or medium knotless braids, I do have other videos up, so be sure to check those out as well. I love y'all so much. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one, all right?